If you're working with Google Docs and want to make an image full page or extend it out to its the full page extension, there are a couple of options that you can use. The first thing is to obviously get your image inside of Google Docs, and then if you go ahead and click on the image options right here, so select the image and then click on image options, you will see a bunch of different options here. So first thing I'm going to do is head over to text wrapping and then select wrap text from here, and then we're going to adjust the margins to be 0 all around. Then under position, we're going to go ahead and select fixed position on page, and then from this point onwards you can just extend the image out to the edges of the page and you will be good to go. Of course, you'll have a better time doing this if you have an image that is more to the page's dimensions and not something like this, but this works on any image regardless. So you can extend it out all the way to the bottom, and that's it. That's how you can have a full screen or a full page image in Google Docs. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and for more videos like this, tune in later.